of India, Shri Pradeep Chandra, Principal Secretary, Special Chief Secretary, Industries Department, Government of Telangana, Shri J. Chaudhary, Shri Rajat Kumar, dignitaries of the dais, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great happiness to participate in this function. This is the first function or a meet where we are meeting the members of the industry after the formation of the new state. I can assure you, the Secretary especially, that we would participate in a big way in the 8th Indo-Chem at Bombay in October. In Visakhapatnam itself, in that PCPIR region, we have 6 SEZs sanctioned already, out of which 3 of them are actively functioning, and they have all the amenities. We have a lot of land which we can make available to entrepreneurs. Nearly 15,000 acres of land is available in this corridor for allotment straight away. Then we also have in some of these SEZs like the Ramki SEZ, the AP SEZ, where we have provided safe environmental packages like the common effluent treatment plant, the marine outfall, which are so much necessary for investments in the field of petrochemicals and chemicals. And not to talk about the facilities that exist in terms of rail connectivity, the road connectivity. We have the national highway passing through this region, which is now proposed to be expanded to a 6-lane. And we also have 3 ports in Visakhapatnam, Gangavaram and Kakinada in this PCPIR belt. And more than anything else, we have a proactive government. I am proud to say this. Definitely whatever the industry needs in terms of support, we will be always there to help you and assist you in every possible way. And we will certainly not allow any red tape to come in the way of implementing projects. And another significant thing which probably doesn't exist for many other states, which Andhra has been given by an act of parliament, is the incentives, the special incentives that are being given to the state of Andhra Pradesh to overcome the deficiency due to bifurcation. And there will be excise duty exemptions and also income tax waiver. So this is something which is yet to be formally announced, but it is bound to come. Probably in a month or 2 we expect this to be announced by the Government of India. So this will make the PCPIR a very attractive region to invest. And then when we talk of the Chennai-Bangalore corridor, this work is already in progress, and we have excellent industrial parks like the Sri City. We have the Krishnapatnam port for cargo handling.
Are evidently able to penetrate the market and export to this country. International trade is not a bad thing, but it shows that we need to be competitive. We need to have, in the words of our Prime Minister, the speed, scale and skills. And on that subject, as all of you know, the government has made its priorities very clear. We need to boost the manufacturing, we need to create jobs for the young people, and we need to increase the GDP overall. Now, chemicals as a part of GDP is about 2.1%, 2.11% in 2012-13 at current prices, and it is about 15% of the manufacturing GDP. So that's the snapshot of the chemical sector. Now, India Chem 2014, as you just saw in the promo, we had about 274 countries. Is my figure correct, Vinay? 274 participants, exhibitors, and that included 140 participants from 13 countries across the globe. Business visitors were there from 40 countries, and they took part in the conference, the conclave and the bilateral meet. 3 countries, that's Japan, Iran and China, they had international pavilions. And in domestic side, we had 135 domestic companies the states of Gujarat, Odisha and the then United Andhra Pradesh had separate pavilions being partner states. And we do hope to see both Andhra and Telangana have their own state pavilions, one roof sheltering all the companies from that region. Today's function is the first in a series of industry meets across the country that would take place to promote and launch the India Camp 2014, which would be held from 9th to 11th October 2014 in Mumbai. We, in association with FICCI, the Government of India and the state governments concerned, we hold these meets to provide an opportunity for networking, interaction among the prospective exhibitors, visitors, industrial corridors being planned other than the chemical corridor also. Of course, just by using the word chemical, petrochemical and petroleum investment region, we don't mean that the investment is going to be limited to that category of industry. Other industries are most welcome to set up the units in those regions, subject of course to the environmental regulations and their own commercial considerations, of course. Now the PCPIR is a huge investment being planned in the coastal corridor between Visakhapatnam and Kakinada. It covers about 600 square kilometers. The plan is 600 square kilometers. It is the largest PCPIR among 4 in the country. The other 3 are in Dahej, in Gujarat, in Paradip, Odisha, and the control to Nagapattinam belt in Tamil Nadu. They are in various stages of development, but this is really the largest. And I think the processing area, 40% of 600 square kilometers would be about 250 square kilometers. That's really huge. And as Mr. Prasad has just now informed you, about 15,000 acres of land has already been acquired and is in the possession of the APIIC. So allocation of land would not be a problem. And the environmental impact assessment is in good progress. I think the landward side has been done. The sea studies, the marine studies are being done, and they expect to get the environmental clearance sometime early next year. Similarly, the area is already an existing manufacturing hub. There are already a number of chemical, pharma, petrochemical industries from between Vizag and Kakinada, including the 2 special economic zones for pharma. There are 4 other economic zones for miscellaneous manufacturers, existing petrochemical plants, refinery, and HPCL is also planning a greenfield refinery. The DFR, I think under that is, the DFR is now under preparation by the consortium. I would urge all of you to utilize the opportunity for setting up industry in this PCPIR as also in the other zones, industrial zones that are existing in the 2 states. Hyderabad is an existing chemical manufacturing hub, which is the reason why this meeting is being held here.